If you are into selling something online, your major problems are increasing conversion rate and improving inventory turnover ratio. Too often, businesses increase their marketing budgets to drive more website traffic or pay lofty commissions to third-party marketplaces. Similarly, whether you are buying or selling, negotiation is an important yet often ignored part of the process, especially when dealing with high-value items such as real estate, vehicles, furniture, electronics, and other professional services. Negotiation helps satisfy both sides, helping buyers find what they want at a price they're happy with, and helping sellers sustainably sell their inventory. However, negotiation is not easy and can be a daunting task for most. Robo-Negotiator solves all these challenges through its unbiased, independent, and patent-pending negotiation software. While we have a website, Robo-Negotiator works behind the scenes through your own websites and applications. You decide the quantity, sell prices, and specific products or services that you will offer to Robo-Negotiator. We hide these special prices in our platform. Next, we market these deals and attract consumers from many sources, including your website, to provide feedback and counter offers when they are searching products. We preserve the identity of all of our sellers and buyers while we match them. When appropriate, we also engage two parties anonymously to do further negotiations via emails and text. After successful negotiations, we introduce two parties so they can finish remaining formalities. We introduce motivated sellers to committed buyers. Our buyers save money as they buy within their budget. We also provide business analytics, additional sales channels, and marketing support to our partners. We encourage diverting your marketing budget and commissions to your buyers in the form of special deals, leveraging our sophisticated algorithms and artificial intelligence engine to convert existing website traffic into paid customers. Robo-Negotiator is inviting limited beta customers to try it for free for a limited time.